It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that is the master in industrial engineering worth it? Is better than a mechanical engineering degree? So you all know that how much I bashed a mechanical engineering degree. So now first you need to understand why I bashed the mechanical engineering degree. You need to click the card button. We all know mechanical engineering degrees are becoming worthless day by day. This is not like the industrial revolution. We do not need many mechanical engineers. There is a huge rate of unemployed mechanical engineers. Do not go. Look up into Google, meet with real people, try to go to the recruitment agency, ask them about what they think about the mechanical engineer degree. But now industry degree, mechanical is that where you build basically most time you work on machine design, drafting, that kind of stuff. Or you can get into safety, testing certification, that kind of stuff. But industrial engineering is quite interesting and different than mechanical engineering. Yes, it overlaps in some curriculum, but overall, in you need to understand that industrial engineering is that you are going to build a product which is not as a size of a big machine, rather than the size of a normal product. How to say that? Industrial engineering and product engineering is like similar. In product engineering, you're going to build, for example, like this next watch, or this next PlayStation Vita. But in industrial engineering, you are going to build some kind of robust equipment to be used in the industry. No, I'm not saying that you can't build for the consumer. You sometimes can build for consumer. A lot of industrial engineers also work on a product design stuff. But there's a huge demand for industrial engineering. Nowadays, the industry are growing. They are trying to become more efficient. They're trying to introduce more machine, and they're trying to cut down the labor force. Nowadays most of the robots. So in industrial engineering, you're building stuff, for example, like a belt. You will be designing a belt, not this belt. If you don't know what's belt, you're too young to watch. You will be designing a belt, so you know design how much weight a belt can carry. For example, like there you are developing, like for example, like a PlayStation Vita. So the person who assembled the PlayStation Vita, the Vita parts will be coming on a belt. So that belt need to be designed all the weight. You need to take into consideration how much a belt can take the weight. The equipment you need to design, not the computer. You can just Google industrial engineering stuff. On Google you can find the images. So there is a huge demand, especially in Canada. Canada is like an industrial country. They do not have much of a workforce, so mostly they rely on their technology advancement, especially in Korea. There's a huge technology advancement. So billion times better is the industrial engineering degree than a mechanical engineering degree. I won't be telling you anything deceiving here. I'm not going to give you like fake hope. Do not take the mechanical engineering degree. If you did a bachelor in mechanical engineering degree, please do not go with a master. You would be like a stupid people if you are going to do that. Please take an industrial engineering degree or take a mechatronic. I'm talking this like for like last 2 years. Mechatronic. For mechatronic, you need to know high level of mathematics. You need to know computer science, you need to know computer engineering, you need to know mechanical engineering, you need to know electronic engineering, you need to know electrical engineering, you need to know industrial engineering, even product engineering. So mechatronics, I think I already did a video on mechatronics. You can click the card button to watch, but mechatronics is very hard. Not all of you can do. If you're smart, then go with the mechatronics. I hope this answered the question. Yes, go with the industrial engineering.